Okay, now I will show you how to process TRODAT scan using this DaTscan application. So select the tomo data only, and no, sorry. First you have to process in the brain spect to generate the transaxial images.
So this is the basic need.
Yes. The result of this application will be the input for the second application.
Okay.
In this, you have to perform the attenuation correction, can threshold to 12, and then proceed. You have to just click save and exit. You'll get this saved image data set. This image should be selected to process in the DAT. Here you have to select the best slice for quantification. For example, this one, this or this you can select.
I think previous one was better.
Yeah. Then click. Here you have to position the ROIs. You can shift it like this and modify it.
What
Then
is this third array?
ये बैकग्राउंड है
Okay, this is background.
ऑक्सीपिटल, ये भी मॉडिफाई करेंगे अभी. And place this at the proper place. Then proceed. Third ROI. छोटा नहीं होगा क्या? And calculate results. So here you can see now it's showing the 3 slices. This ROI we can adjust all. Okay, so this was the slice we selected there. Software automatically will take the previous slice as well as the next slice which we selected, right?
Okay.
And it for the calculation it will take the average of the 3.
Okay.
So average of the 3, like these are the values and this is the average value, the counts.
Okay.
And then the ratio will be calculated, like caudate, left caudate to occipital and right caudate to occipital ratio. And these are the normal values and these are the reconstructed parameters. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the only processing, and this software accept both PET and SPECT both. If you have done f-DOPA scan, you can also process using this
So
same.
there I think the creating of transaxial images are not required directly.
Directly, yes, because PET is already transaxial data, so no need to go to the brain spec. But for the tomographic data, you have to first process in the brain spec, save and exit it, and select the result and open in this application.
So this processing does not require CT data for attenuation correction. One is the Chang
Method,
correction.
yes. This application accepts the Chang method correction because brain is mostly uniform with this one, no? So there is no much difference between the CT based attenuation correction and the Chang method. So that is most of the time you will not see any difference whether it is CT based or Chang based.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
thank you.